Hey everybody, happy Thursday evening. Just wanted to remind everybody that every October 31st on Halloween, I give out stuffed animals to kids who come to our house. So they don't just get candy, they get a toy animal. My goal is 250 animals by October 31st. Right now I've got 21. So if anyone has a new or slightly used stuffed animal that they don't want anymore, they want to part with, feel free to send it to me. James Mottram, James, last name Mottram, 5619 Lancashire Boulevard, Lankershim Boulevard, BLVD, number 202 in North Hollywood, California, 91601. Thank you very much. Alrighty. Have a great night.